Hi and a very good evening to everyone. My name is AMJADUL Akasyah bin RIZATULAKMAN, and today I will talk about Sonar, and I'm from class 2 TMT1. So let's go. First thing first, what is Sonar? Sonar, or we call it sound navigation and ranging, is a technique that use sound propagation usually underwater, as in a submarine or surface vessel for navigation. To navigation, communicate with or detect object on or under the surface of the water, such as other vessel or fish, and many more. Sonar use wave to see in the water. National Ocean Service scientists primarily use sonar to develop nautical chart, locate underwater hazard to navigation, search and map object on the seafloor such as shipwreck, and map the seafloor itself. There are two types of sonar. These are two types of sonar. The first one is active sonar. Active sonar system emit a pulse of sound, and then the operator listen for the echoes, which is the sound will go and come back. In active sonar, when the sound signal is sent into the water, part of it will be reflected back if it strikes an object or a target. The distance to the object can be calculated by measuring the time between when the signal is sent out and when the reflected sound or echo is received. For example, in 4 seconds elapsed between the emission of the outgoing sound and the return of its echo, the sound has taken 2 seconds to travel the object and 2 seconds to return. The average speed of sound in the water is 1,500 meter per second. So if it takes 2 seconds for sound to reach the object, we can assume the object is 2 seconds times 1,500 meter per second, or 3,000 meter away. Sonar system generally use high directional beam of sound when searching for target. In this way, they are able to determine direction to the target as well as the distance. The echo heard in active sonar system can also be very distinct. Experienced sonar technicians are often able to tell the difference between echoes produced by submarine, a rock, outcrop, a school of fish, or a whale. The next one is passive sonar. How passive sonar works is when the operator listens to the sound emitted by the object one is trying to locate. So there are no reflected sound. Ship, submarine, marine mammals, and fish all make noise, and this noise can be used by passive sonar system to locate them. In much the same way humans use their ears to locate someone speaking in a room. Passive sonar system can be a race of hydrophone towed behind a ship or submarine, or a fixed system of hydrophone cable to shore or attached to a mooring. So, underwater object or fish can be detected by sound that been heard by the hydrophone. In this video, I will focus on sonar that used for geological and archaeological studies, which is side scan sonar. Side scan sonar is a category of sonar system that is used to efficiently create an image of large area of the sea floor. Side scan sonar may be used to conduct surveys for marine archaeology in conjunction with sea floor, and able to provide an understanding of the difference in material and texture of type of the seabed. Side scan sonar imagery is also a commonly used tool to detect debris item and other obstruction on the sea floor that may be hazardous to shipping or to seafloor installation by the oil and gas industry. On this way, I have 3 examples of side scan sonar. The first one is Imaginex 878 side scan sonar. The second one is Client System 3900 side scan sonar, and H-Tech 4200 series side scan sonar. This is all the sonar that we use. How we use is stowed behind a vessel. Side scan sonar use a sonar device that emit conical or fan-shaped pulse down to the seafloor across a wide angle perpendicular to the path of the sensor through water, which may be towed from a surface vessel or submarine or mounted on the hull of the ship. The intensity of the acoustic reflection from the seafloor of this fan-shaped beam is recorded with a series of cross-thread slices. When stitched together along the direction of motion, these slices form an image of the sea bottom within the swath of the beam. And then the sound frequency used by side scan sonar usually range from 100 to 500 kHz. Higher frequency yield between resolution but less range. Up here, I have one example of ocean floor which is mapped by side scan sonar. This is world ocean floor, one of the map of world ocean floor. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching, and thank you for lending me your time in watching this video. I hope this video will help you in knowing a sonar that use in archaeological and geological purpose. And see you next time. Bye bye.